so let's go. We're going to the market. Alright. I'm going to the market. So now here is a Glory 2G Sari Sari store. Where is it? Sari Sari store. But not yet open. Not yet open. So we're going to the Cheesy's fried chicken. Fried chicken. So continues. We're going to Halloween. So I will take a video. Look at this. Halloween party. Halloween design. No, this is Halloween. Very nice. It's Attic Hotel before, and now it's a new Pataboo. This one. I will show you there. Okay, there is some squash. This is a horror side. Or IP. Look at that. Okay, we're going to the market, guys. So now here is the next door is Laundry Parkland. Here is it. I will show you that. This Parkland. So well, continue. Go. Oh, not yet open. Oh, it's already open. Where is the Parkland Laundry? Where is it? Where is my laundry area? Yesterday we get laundry. Yes. I will show you inside. Here is my laundry. Yes. And also the 7-Eleven here. And the front is a 7-Eleven. This is 7-Eleven near in the market. So well, let's go to the market, guys. Let's go to the market. What is this? Doggy Benz carrots. So I buy this carrots. Oh, carrots. Ilang kilo animes? I buy some 1/2 kilo, I think, because we're two, daughter and me. This one, carrots. Only two. I buy only two. Oh, no, three. I buy 3 pieces. I will find some breakfast. Carrots. Like this. Asan yung patatas dong? Mana ako? Patatas. Potato. Potato. I buy some potato. Potato. This one. Onions, 3 pieces. Only 3 pieces, guys. Speaking of that, there is that. Namay katong kuan, fresh Mickey. Itong Japanese. Ramen. Usa niya. I need a Isa ka ramen niya dong. Isa ka ramen. Oh. O ramen.
Pila ka ramen mo?
Isa lang. Ay, doon na lang. Sorry.
Bali na lang ako. Naka 11 mo? Wala.
20. Mura 20.
Kain na lang ako. Para 5-5.
Ha? Dayon.
So I get some vegetables, so I will find the meat. So where is it? The meat. Oh my gosh! It's feet of pig. So I just find the bones. 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 Did you eat this? Oh. Thank you. Wow, bathroom. And also this. Dong. 30. 30. Okay. This. There is mine. I'm going back now. So guys. There is market today. I'm here now from market. So it's fish, meat and fish vegetables. So come inside. We'll come inside now. Okay. I'm here inside now. I'm here. Sorry. So thank you so much, guys. Bye, guys. So see you guys. Bye.